Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2021 Bentley Continental. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any scratches or paint chips here at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. There are no dents, no scratches here, and the wheel has no curb rash. Take a look at the driver door. Okay, this door looks perfect. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on it. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. Alright, the back bumper looks fine. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. And the trunk looks perfect. Everything here is spotless. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. There are no dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger door. This door is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches here at all. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. There are no dents, no scratches on this fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And we're going to start with the driver's seat. Perfect. The seat looks very good. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. Now let's take a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the interior driver's side of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's move on to the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup and 360 camera. Let's have a look at the center console and make sure that everything here looks fine. Perfect. I'm not seeing anything wrong. All of the buttons are in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Okay, the steering wheel buttons look perfect. Let's have a look around the steering wheel. Excellent. I'm not seeing anything wrong. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.